Hi, my name is Nisha Holmes. I'm a senior consultant on the experts team with Analysis Prime, and today I'm going to talk about some of the newest releases in QRC 2 2023, specifically Excel add-in enhancements. So what will be covered today is how overlapping content is handled, and it now allows several models per sheet, and users can now insert new rows and columns and use Excel formulas to create a user-defined dynamic calculation. So let's take a look and see this in action. Okay, as you can see here, I have a table that I've populated from SAC, and then I've inserted my own table here. Now, what we wanted to do was make this table a little longer, or put more dimensions in this table, populate that with more dimensions. Let's go ahead and do that and see what warnings we receive here. Okay, so you have three options here. You can either override the existing content with the table, so essentially this table would become bigger and overwrite this. We can crop the table, or we can cancel and don't apply any changes. Another new option is to add a second table on your worksheet. And to do that is you say you want to add table, and then you choose what model you'd like to use to add that second table. And we'll just choose this. And we'll open that. Okay. So you can see here we can actually start adding items to calculate that table. There we go. So we have two different tables, two different data sources as well. Now if you want to add a third table, we'll try to do that. No problem there. And we'll add one more table. Let's do the same table, pull the same information we have from this table. And you can see it can be in the same data source. Okay. So another thing that's you can do is add another column, or you could do a row as well. And then you could put in dynamic Excel formulas that will populate the entire column or the entire row. So in this case, we'll add the column, or excuse me, add a row, and we'll do that twice. So add those columns. We'll say this is variance here, and we'll do a percentage here. And you can do this anywhere you like here to do your calculation. It doesn't have to be on the top, and it will fully dynamically fill this in. And let's do the next one. Okay. So you can see that we also have, we can go and format the entire column itself. You can do that on the rows if you were to add rows. So we'll go to number format on the right, and under variance, we can choose decimal places here. We can leave it at 0. Right now it's at default. So let's say we want to see the signs as in parentheses. We'll do that. And then for the percentage change, we'll choose percentage here. I'll give you a percentage, and let's make that 2 decimals. And we'll do the same on the symbol. So hopefully that helps with your future tables and with using the Excel add-in.